Hi there, Dina Burrell here, your friendly health plan options individual team lead. I'm just coming back at you with another short video, and this is my third and final video in this series. And today we're going to talk about Pennie and the savings calculator and how to use that. So let's get right to it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that you can see as I navigate through the savings calculator. Okay, so you're going to want to just go to pennie.com to their homepage. Do not log in. And down a little bit, you'll see here the savings calculator, and you'll want to click on that. And just a quick little note here, I get calls often from agent partners who are asking me, well, how can I quote Pennie to a prospective client? And this is how you would do that. So you're going to put in the plan year here that you're looking to quote or find out the savings for, the zip code in which the client lives. And sometimes you'll have to select the county. If there is multiple counties for any zip code, then you would have to select the county. Here you're going to want to put the primary household taxpayer's date of birth. And if they're seeking coverage, you leave that clicked. If they're a tobacco user, you're going to click that. If they're American Indian or Alaskan Native, you're going to click that. Then you can add the spouse or any dependents. You want to include anybody that is part of the taxable household only. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in a spouse, and I'm going to leave them as both seeking coverage. They don't smoke or use tobacco, and this doesn't apply. Then we're going to put in their estimated expected income for the plan year. Just keep in mind that if somebody is not looking for APTC tax benefits or savings, you can certainly just skip the estimate and go look at the plans by clicking skip estimate to apply and enroll. That actually just takes you straight to look at putting in an application and then shopping for the plans without financial savings. But we're going to use the calculator here, so we're going to click on continue. First, it's going to take us to what the possible APTC could be. It shows here's the estimated tax credit amount that this family could possibly get based on the income we entered. And for the second lowest cost silver plan, it may cost them about $349 a month to cover both the spouse and tax filer. Qualifies based on what was entered. So we're just going to go ahead and click next so we can continue to see the plans and prices. You can enter a provider by searching by name within 20 miles of the zip code, let's say, and let's just pick one for our purposes here and click next. Then it's going to want you to enter how much the person goes to the doctor. You can either skip to view plans or enter that information and hit next. And then it asks about how many prescriptions in the household are filled. You can skip or click next. And you can put in medications to see how your medications would be covered under any prospective plan. So now we're going to go ahead and click view plans, and the medical ones come up first. You can see that here are the estimated savings. Anything on these pages that are underlined with dots, you can hover over and it gives you further definition. You can sort by any option here that you'd like. I usually leave it at expense estimate because then it, sorted by that. You can do by monthly price. That's a popular filter option because it's going to show the least expensive ones first. So I like to filter on that sometimes. If you know that your client is not interested in an HMO or an EPO, you can filter on just PPO plans or any way that you would like. Let's say they only want an HMO. You can certainly filter that way as well. Let's say they only want an HSA qualified plan. You can filter to only see those. You can filter by tier, you can filter by deductible amount, and you can filter by carrier. So let's say that your client is absolutely not interested in one of these carriers, then you're going to click on and select the other carriers to only see what they're interested in seeing. So then over here in the middle of the page is where you're going to get your plan details and how much it's going to cost. You can go into a specific plan by clicking the details, and it's going to give you further plan highlights and information. It's going to tell you whether or not your doctors that you entered participate in the plan. I would caution you that these results are not always accurate in this system. So I would encourage that if it says they're not participating, that you go out and look at the actual carriers provider search tool to verify before just going by this. If you scroll down, it's going to give you more information on that specific plan that you clicked in, the basic plan summary information. And certainly if they know they want this plan, click add and it'll add it to the cart, where then you would start the application process if you wanted. Or if they want more time to think about this specific plan, you can do a print preview and print it either to paper or to PDF to send your client. You can certainly click into any of the benefit resources, drug list, provider directory. You can download a brochure for the plan or go into the carrier summary of benefits for this plan. I'm going to go back to all plans and quickly show you a feature that's really cool is the compare. So any of these plans that came up on your initial results after you did your filtering, you can click on the compare option and see how the plans compare to each other. And you can compare up to 3 plans at a time. Once you've selected your 3 plans, click compare now. And side by side, it's going to show you a comparison of the plans that you selected to look at. So it's really convenient place to kind of look at all the plans and all the information you've kind of entered. Like if you expand this drug option, it's going to tell you the drug coverage, etc. So you can expand on any of these options down here to see how these plans coverage compare to one another and which would be the best option. You can also print the compare. So if they want to basically have this estimate to look at and compare on their own time to get back to you with their plan choice, you can print to PDF and send it to them, or print to paper and hand it to them. You can go back to all plans, and let's say maybe when we want to compare other plans, you deselect the plans you were looking at and add the other plans that you're going to want to compare, and then click the compare now option. And yeah, so that's the basic gist of the savings calculator. There are all kinds of tools in here that, and filters that could help you narrow things down for your client, and printable options so that they can review and get back to you later. You can also see dental plans offered through the exchange by switching to the dental plan tab. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you can more easily go to the savings calculator and utilize that to the fullest and print out your quotes for your prospective clients. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.